So guys, here you can see our word as me came about the machine learning, and in today's machine learning video I am telling about statistics variability spread. Okay, I am telling about it, what is statistics variability in spread. So yeah, I am telling about it, so please like this video, share with friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss our any future related videos about the machine learning. So without taking or writing down, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of machine learning, I'm telling about the statistics and variability spread. And this is our third last video of the machine learning. Okay, this is our third last video of the machine learning. So, but anyways, let's know about what are statistics and variability spread. Like previous video, I told you about the descriptive statistics, and I hope your concept will be clear about it. The descriptive statistics is a broken down into tendency and variability. Variability is uses these measures. Which type of measures the variability is uses? Like min and max, variance, deviation, distribution, and skewness and kurtosis. Okay, this type of variability uses these measures. Okay, and the variance. In statistics, the variance is the average of the squared differences from the mean value. In other words, the variance describes how far a set of numbers is spread out from the mean average value. Mean value is described in the previous chapter. Like I've already told you about the mean value in the previous chapter. I hope your concept will be clear about it. This table contains 11 values. 11 values like 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10 and 11. Here we are calculate the variance. Okay. Let me write this code, copy it, and let me open my Microsoft Edge, and I am removing this file. And when I delete this file, I am making one file of the HTML. And when I make a HTML file, so here it take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily as like this. And when it will be opened, so here we are writing like when I write here HTML, and in the HTML we are writing like head, and then in the head, then here I am writing like body, and then I am writing here script, and then paste. Now let's start to write this code. To write this code, let me show you how to write it. First of all, paste it, and then let me remove it, and let me remove it, and let me erase it, and let me zoom my code. Now let's start to write a code. To write a code, first of all, you write here. Let me show you what you will be write. First of all, let me do this. Now, first of all, here you write like comment. We defining a comment like calculate the mean m. Okay. Now, first of all, we write like that let m equals to, then in the here we write 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 9, then plus 10, then plus 11 plus 14 plus 14 plus 15, and then here I am writing like divided by 11, and then here we like that. And now we define one more comment. In this comment we are writing like comment. Here we write like calculate the sum of squares, and we write a SSS. Then we write like let SS equals to 7 minus m, and then multiply 2 plus, then here we are writing 8 minus m, then multiply 2 plus 8, then minus m, multiply 2, then plus, and like 8 multiplied by 2 like 2 times we do that. And now we write here like in the here we write like 9 minus m, multiply 2, then plus, then here we write like 9 slash m, multiply 2 plus again you write here 9 slash m multiply 2, then 10 11 14, then you write here plus 10, sorry, like this, 10 slash m multiply 2 plus 11 slash m multiply 2 plus then 14 slash m multiply 2 plus then here we write like 15 slash m, and then here we write like multiply 2, then this. When I write this type of code, here we write interpret, then slash calculate the variance, and now we write here let variance equals to SSS divided by 11, then equals to. And when I write this, and here we run it. Here when we copy it, okay, and then reload it. And when I reload it, so now it is working, and when it will be working, so then we write this type of code. It not give you any this type any output, okay, but if you write here what is error in this code, if it is giving you the error, it not giving me any error, but if it is giving you the error, so write this type of code, then I hope it not give you the error, I hope, okay, like this type of code, and then paste it, so then I hope it not give you the error. So now let's come on it our Word file, and let's see much more things, okay. So let's come on it here, sorry, now use the math library like math.js, or you can also use the math library like a math.js, okay. So how to use it, let me tell you. To use it, so first of all you write here like first of all close it, you write here const values equals to in the bracket 7 comma 8 comma 8 comma then 9 comma 9 comma 9 comma then 10 comma 11 comma then 14 comma 14 comma then 15, then like ret variance equals to math dot variance, then write values comma in the double commas uncorrected, and then when you write here uncorrected you write here like this, and when you write it, then you will be run it from here, okay, like simply, okay, take a little bit loading, but it will be run it, okay, like this. And now let's come on it here, standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of how separate out numbers are. The symbol is 0, Greek letter sigma. The formula is the variance, the square root of the variance, okay. This is the standard deviation is in JavaScript, okay. It is a standard deviation in the JavaScript. We have already written this code in my applet like here, okay. We already written it, but if you write it, so you will be also write it one more time, okay. We have already written it like this, let me show you. When we write this code and then Control Z, okay, like here we already written this code. So what we will do here, we will be calculate the mean, and then here we calculate when we do this, and then here we write like let variance SS, okay. Then we add our new line, let me show you which line. First of all we add this, and here we define one new line, like copy it and then paste it, and then here we write like slash slash, here we write like slash slash calculate the standard deviation. Then here we write like let std equals to math dot sqrt, then here we write like variance, then here we write like this, and like that you can do it very easily. So here we calculate the standard deviation. Okay, like that you will be run your code. So now let's come on it our word file again. Okay, when we write till here. Now deviation is a measure of a distance, how far on average all values are from the mean, the middle, or if you use a math library like math.js also. So here you can see it. In today's video we learn about in the machine learning what is statistics, variability, spread. So I hope your concept will be clear about it, what is statistics, variability, spread in machine learning. If you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now miss over any future latest videos of the machine learning. So now I'm using next lesson, next video I'm using that our videos of the machine learning. So for today, goodbye.